In this video, we're going to discuss my top 10 spring and summer home maintenance tips. I'm John Solkowski, broker owner of the JRS Realty Group, and here are my top 10 spring and summer home tips. Tip number 1 is curb appeal. Step back from your house and look at your house from the street to see what needs to be trimmed, cleaned up, or removed. Number 2 is clean your gutters and downspouts. You want to make sure that the water is easily run off from the gutters through the downspouts and away from the house to prevent any further water damage to your basement or your surrounding flower beds. Tip number 3, power wash your exterior of your home, including your walkways, your porches, your patios, and your driveway. Tip number 4, clean your windows, and while you're at it, you want to inspect the seals around each and every window. Is the seal broken? Does something need some maintenance to stop cold air or warm air from coming in during the summer months? Tip number 5 is inspect your roof. And if you can't inspect your roof safely, I recommend you contact us so we can refer a roofing contractor so they can inspect your roof for you. Your roof truly is a safety measure from water infiltration into your home during storms and rain. So you want to see if you have any damaged or missing shingles that need repair. Tip number 6 is you want to have your heating system and AC units serviced and their filters changed. Obviously, if you need recommendations for an HVAC company to come out and inspect and replace or repair anything that needs to be done, we're here to help. Tip number 7 is you want to clean and inspect your dryer lint vent. Now, obviously, lint trapped in your dryer vent is a cause of fire. So you always want to check that annually to make sure that it is clean and free of any lint debris. Plus, you want to make sure that no rodents or bugs can have access inside your home. Tip number 8 is clean behind your refrigerator. And more importantly, you want to vacuum the coils so your refrigerator is running more efficiently. Obviously, if you need help with this, I would seek help. And if you need someone, you can always reach out to us as well. Tip number 9 is you want to make sure that you have fresh batteries in your carbon monoxide detector as well as your home smoke detectors wherever they're located in your home. Tip number 10, and our final tip, is to inspect your hoses attached to your washing machine. Make sure that everything is tight and secure, that there are no leaks that you have not noticed, because obviously something leaking over time is going to cause damage to your home. Anyway, if you have any questions or concerns about anyone doing any of this work, please reach out to us. We have a list of trusted vendors that we can help you with. There is absolutely no cost or obligation for doing so. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.